Okay, multiple reflections. So what is a multiple? Multiple means many reflections. That means our image will be reflected many times. Okay, we will see now in the some shops, in some mirrors, when we see our image will, we can see our image 10 times. Okay, 10, we are single person but we can see 10 images. Okay, so by using this only, that in some movies na heroes are two heroes na, so by using this type only they make like that. Okay, so if we see like this, you for example, in this mirror you see only coin is one but mirrors are two, but we can see four mirrors. Okay, four coins we can see, four images like this. Okay, understand? So for example, so this is also a, through geometry we are understanding. We know that a single plane mirror can make only one image. What will happen if we combine two plane mirrors? One plane mirror can make one image. If we combine the two plane mirrors, what will happen? Okay, what will happen if we combine the two plane mirrors? Place two mirrors at a right angle to each other. Place a coin between these mirrors and see how many images are formed. As shown in the figure, image of the object is O is formed at O1 due to the mirror 1. In the same way, 2 forms the image of O at O2. So, mirror 2 gets reflected from mirror 1 and forms its image behind the mirror. This is a virtual image of mirror. Virtual image means not real. So, we are real, but what we see in the mirror, it is not real. Na? This virtual mirror will in turn reflect the image O1 to O3 in the same manner. Okay, so for example, virtual image of mirror 1 formed from mirror 2 will act as a virtual mirror and will reflect the virtual image O2 to O3. Hence, virtual image of any object can act like a virtual object. Okay, now you see. Now, according to the angles we keep, that many images can be formed in the combined and two plane mirrors. Okay, so these two plane mirrors are kept at 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree. At 90 degree, it is able to form 4 images. Okay, sorry, 3 images. Okay, for example, here is one equation is there. Okay, so we use this equation 360 by theta minus 1. So here what is the degree they use? 90 degree. So 360 by 90 minus 1. So 90, 360 divided by 90. How many times? 4 times. Okay, 360. So 0. So here how many? Minus 1 na? So we get a 4. So 4. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, if we keep the two plane mirrors at 90 degree, it can form the 3 images. Okay, if we keep the two plane mirrors at 45 degree, how many it forms? Again we will see 360 by theta 45 degree minus 1. So, 45 360 में कितना बार? So, 8 times. Okay, so okay, so here minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So it can form 7 images. Okay, so like this, if we are keeping this one at 180 degree. So, and how many images it form? 360 by 180. So how many times it is? The 2 times. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 times na 2. So only one image it can form. So like this, how much degrees angles we are keeping the two mirrors, that many images it can form. Now you see, object is kept where? Here it is kept, object. But you see in these two plane mirrors, how many images form? 3 images. How it is formed? Because of the reflection. Okay, so the light is reflected. So from this mirror you see at 90 degree, this is incident ray. Okay, so one is incident ray, one is reflected ray. Okay, now from here you see how many see, so many rays are reflected, so inside of this, so you see the arrow marks, and we got the how many images? 1, 2 and 3. First this image reflected here, okay, virtual mirror, okay. So from this one, because of the reflected rays, one more image is formed here, and again one more image is formed here, okay, because of the reflection. I will post a video on this. To get more understanding, watch that video, okay. Thank you, students.